Welcome to Photoshop Kindergarten, a series where I explain Photoshop to you as if you were 5.
In today's lesson, I'm going to explain smart objects to you as if you were 5. Let's start with the question. If I give you 3 documents to put into a folder, does that equal 1 document? No, it's still 3 documents. It's just in a folder. This concept also works in Photoshop, so I'm going to create this cute little graphic. This graphic has 3 layers. We have the type layer, we have the cherries layer, and then we have the white background layer. If I throw all 3 of these layers into a folder, I still have 3 layers. What if I wanted to edit it as if it was 1 layer? Well, I could right-click and flatten the image. Well, that was pretty easy. Now I have 1 layer to edit and play around with. But the problem with this is that if I ever wanted to go back and edit each layer separately, I can't do that. I flatten the image, there's no going back. What if I told you there was a way where you can merge layers together to act like a single layer, but if I wanted to go back, I can still expand it and show all 3 of those layers? Well, when there's a will, there's a way, and it's called Smart Objects. So what you're gonna do is highlight all of your layers, right-click, convert to Smart Object, and it will merge all 3 of those layers together to show you 1 layer, but if you want to expand it back to 3 layers, you just double click on the icon. It's kind of like putting objects into a container. You can carry around the container as 1 object, but you can always open it back up and pull those objects out. And that is Smart Objects explained to you as if you were a 5-year-old. Don't forget to practice at home, and I'll see you next time.